So today we're in beautiful Pinellas Park, Florida.
Our client, Deanne, already has an amazing half-acre wooded lot picked out.
I actually grew up right here in Pinellas Park, and I've lived here with my parents for over 30 years.
We need to know, what are your likes and dislikes?
I love to craft. I love to cook. I like the idea of an open floor plan, the more modern look.
Okay.
Definitely only one story, thinking of the future. My parents need me bad enough to move in with me. Stairs are not gonna be good.
Currently, Deanne has one room in her parents' house, so we need to get this started right away so she can finally live in her own space. What do you think of this Florida ranch-style home?
I like the columns. I like the little peak in the roof.
Come on in, because we definitely need to figure out your layout.
I'd really like to come in my door and into the rooms I use most, so like
Okay.
the kitchen and the great room.
What do you think about the layout of this kitchen?
I don't love that this wall's closed off. I'd actually like the rooms to flow a little bit more. I love these white cabinets. I don't love the giant silver appliances.
So this is our master suite. What do we think?
It's a little narrow. I would hope it was a little bit more space between like the foot of the bed and the wall.
Now we need to go check out this bathroom.
It's gorgeous, but climbing in and out of this tub is just like scary. I don't need a tub, and I would love a nice,
Go in.
big walk-in shower. This is awesome.
So with this plan, I think that we hit all of our bullet points, which is the 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and open concept.
The outside is gonna have some stone detailing and a ton of curb appeal. And here we are, it's your front door.
We want it to be really open with a lot of natural lighting. You said you want to be able to walk directly into your kitchen. So that's what we're gonna give you.
That would be perfect.
And then off of your kitchen, we're gonna give you this beautiful, huge, great room.
It's just gonna function as a really nice space to entertain.
That would be awesome.
Our bedrooms are gonna have a nice full bath, and the best part is you're gonna have a section of the house that's just for you. Later down the road, parents, they still have their side of the house, and you can have a little bit of privacy as well.
I gotta be honest, this is a super unique build for us. We've never done this before, where the client and her parents actually live directly next door to where we're building. There's gonna be those extra set of eyes that's gonna be watching us this entire process.
Today I'm meeting with Deanne so we can pick out some finishes and design elements for her home. I want to start with flooring. I really love these river rocks for the flooring in the shower and the bathroom.
I think this is really neat.
This vinyl flooring gives you the illusion of a hardwood floor.
I'd like to do vinyl throughout the whole house, and this is definitely my favorite so far.
So Deanne's mom actually gave us permission to go treasure hunting in these 2 storage sheds that they've had on this property for over 20 years. I actually think that there is a dresser that we can refinish. I'm also thinking for a special project that we could do a really cool custom craft room. And later down the road, when Deanne's parents are ready to move in with her, it can be converted into a bedroom. You gotta start it from the base. Oh, girl, that's nothing. That is a rich color. I like it.
Here's how you see it. What? You hold the wire like this, you ride it all the way back, put it right in the middle.
Oh, look at you. Today is the big day. We are so thrilled for Deanne to see her dream home.
I'm nervous, but I'm excited, and I can't wait to get in there.
You gotta listen for footsteps.
I mean,
Ooh, this is
oh my gosh, I see your head.
I feel like I'm walking down the aisle.
There you go.
I love it. I really do.
We are so excited for you. So, you ready to see your dream home?
I am.
Unlock your future.
All right.
Take a deep breath.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's just like I thought it. Oh.
So we've got a piece in here that I want to see if you recognize.
Is that the dresser?
Your mom gave us permission.
Did she tell you that was actually her dresser when she was a kid?
Oh my, so
No.
it was hers
Yeah.
first?
Oh, wow. It's just beautiful.
Look how big your walk-in shower is.
Awesome. Looks so good.
We've seen pretty much the entire house, but skipped a room in the beginning of the home, which means we have one left.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. I really wanted to have a craft room in my house, but it just wasn't in the budget.
You like it? I think the tears mean you like it.
This house has been my dream for so long.
Come on, make yourselves happy. Welcome to my house.
Charlotte, do you want to help make crafts?
Yeah. Charlotte approves.